Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome. Let's go ahead and get started. So, I'm just gonna make sure I double check everything is working for the stream. Now, this one is gonna be a little bit short as well, like 2 streams ago. We're just gonna be continuing with the customization and the CSS of everything. So let's continue from where we were at. So basically, last time we were talking about how to design our login screen to look a lot more like our Figma design. So let me go into our Figma design and we can see exactly where we're at. So this is our Figma right here. Now we're looking pretty good so far. I think we're doing pretty good. Obviously we don't have to forget password here or anything, but we're looking pretty good. Now we just gotta put this this thing right here in the middle. I don't think that's like too big of an issue, and then we can continue on and develop our sign up page and any sort of forms that we want to add for that. So let's go ahead and drag this back to where it was before. Alrighty. So let me open up the documentation for React Native Paper docs, and at the same time I have ChatGPT open up on the side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this code, and inside of here I'm going to just say something like, I want to move the placeholder in the middle when the input is focused. So that's basically what it's going to allow us to be able to get this little middle thing right here. Currently we have it so it's on the left side. If it's possible, it's not going to be the end of the world if we can't do it. Let's see what ChatGPT is saying. Okay, the React Native Paper text input is tied to the mode prop where it's outlined. Okay, however, if you still want to override this property, you can. Okay, so that's how we can override it. It's a bit hacky. Yeah, you know what? I mean, it's a bit of a hacky way. I think that maybe let's just stick to how we have it. It's on the left side. It's not gonna be the end of the world. It doesn't kill anybody. Yeah, it should be fine. So let's go ahead and go to our sign in page, or sign up. It should be sign up, not sign in. Don't have an account. Sign up. There we go. And we go to our sign up page, and we need to pretty much make it look like this right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to convert, let's go ahead and actually open that up. So sign up screen, which is this right here, we're going to convert this into a scroll view, and we're going to have a couple of inputs. So currently we're asking for the user's full name, email, and password. So let's go ahead and add those properties. Now, I am being a little bit lazy here, but to save ourselves some time, what I'm going to do is I want to edit my sign up screen, and I want it to have 3 more inputs. Sorry, I want it to have 3 inputs: full name, email, and password. Now, obviously, as an application advances and it gets a little bit bigger, we're obviously going to add more things to the sign up page. I'm thinking like PR values and stuff like that, but that's still undecided for now. Base the design off of this code. Basically only replace and have the 3 inputs, and then we can just copy and paste and tell it that here's my sign up screen. There we go. Okay, let's see what it says here. So we have, no worries, let's add full name validation schema. Perfect, that's exactly what we want. So the couple of things, the first thing we got to do is we need to edit our validation schema, which is right here, to take into account full name as well. It should be at least 2 characters. For testing purposes, it'll be easier, just have 2 characters. That's fine, that's fine. And then we need to edit our formic to have full name as a parameter. So at the very end here, I'll just put full name like so. And then that's pretty much it. Let's see if we can, just out of curiosity, I think. Register, this is our use mutation. Oopsie. Register mutation. Right. So when we did our registration for our user, I thought we were using, whatchamacallit? I thought we were using sign up with email and password, but I guess not. Okay, so let's go ahead and add full name. Wait, before I do that, let me just check this really quickly. So we have sign in with email and password. Yeah, that's what we should use. I don't think it's a good idea to use Firebase functions for it. I think it's going to be more appropriate to fix that right now. So let's do that right now. Let me see if I can just split this up. So let's get rid of this register mutation. And we're going to have our auth. So what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this bad boy right here, like so. And I'll put it here. So let's comment that out for now. Paste this here. Let's import Firebase. I think it's Firebase/app, isn't it? No, it's compat. Okay. And then we'll do sign up. No, register. What do we have? Sign in anonymously, sign in with email and password. Update current user, sign up. What's the sign up one? Let's look up the documentation really quickly. So we have Firebase, auth, compat, register. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we have initialize app, get auth, get started. So sign up new users. Create user with email and password. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's what we want. Create user with email and password. Okay. Where was I? I was here somewhere. Yeah, it was here. Okay. Did I just paste this already? Oh yeah, it's right down here. Okay, so we're gonna do user credential, Firebase this, auth, create user with email and password. We provide an email, password. I wonder if I can provide it any extra parameters. It's better probably, let's try to find this on our own. So Firebase, create user with email and password, add full name. Let's try that out. Oh, there we go. Okay, 7 years ago. Create user and email password asynchronous call like any other function. Firebase, you can create a user most likely successfully, but then immediately after you grab it. So we have it like this, and then user.update profile, display name, username, function, like that. Rubicon, okay. So we can do that. User.update profile. Let's give that a try. So I'm gonna cancel. Save this. I'm gonna close that, and then let's get rid of this. Oh yeah, we also need to run our Firebase as well. So I will also do that. So I'll do cd fit tracker Firebase. I will do Firebase emulators start. Good stuff. And so let me see how we can do that. So this is our example right here of it being able to create. So once we create the user, we do user.update profile. Okay, simple enough. So we're gonna go underneath here. Let's do user.update profile. Oh, let me do await. There we go. And let's give it a display name is equal to values dot full name. Okay, I like where this is headed. Registration mutation doesn't exist because we actually got rid of the bad boy. Let's go to our signup screen. Any errors? No. Good. I like it. And just so we have our testing purposes down, what I want to do is let's just copy this. We'll paste it here. Let's do copy all those, and we'll do full name like so. And now, if we try to click sign up, it should give us 3 different errors. They're hard to see, but they're there, but it's just hard to see. We're obviously gonna change up the we'll change up the colors and everything. So let's do a@a.com. Full name, let's do Robert, and then password we'll do pipi no pupu. There we go. And at the same time, I'm gonna open up the emulator authentication. So let's go ahead, click on sign up and see what happens. Okay, I like it. Now let's go to authentication. Okay, now we should see user full name. Beautiful. We've got our display name. That's perfect. And then you know what we can do? We can add user profile photo if we want. We can have custom claims option as well. BP no poo poo. Oh god, I need to go to sleep. Okay, so what's the next thing that we're gonna do? So we set that up. Now what we're gonna do is oh, you know what's funny is because we also asked ChatGPT to implement it for us, I forgot that it also gave us the answer on how to implement it there too. But you know what? That's perfectly fine. We also figured out how to do it using React Native. Using Firebase's out of the box solution instead of creating a function, using up more function calls. You know, it's better to just do it the way that they recommend. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is let's I don't want to get copyrighted. I gotta stop singing that song. Now please give me the styles. I want to have the fit tracker logo and the bottom section, and make the inputs styled like this example. So I'm just asking ChatGPT to come up with that example for us. It's going to just save us time. And you know what I should probably do at the same time? I realized this just now. I ain't pushed this code in quite some time now, so let me go ahead and open up GitHub desktop, and we're just going to push this bad boy. So I'll do push setup cool stuff. There we go. Now obviously in a real like production environment you wouldn't say that, but this is my app and we're gonna do whatever we want to do. Sorry, this is our app. We're gonna do whatever the hell we want to do. Okay, cool. So it's printing out a pretty good example of exactly what we want. So while that's doing that, let's go back to here. Now here's what I'm thinking. This is what I'm saying, okay? We have this example slide right here. We have an example screen right here. This is gonna be a carousel of program plans. Now, in the future, if this app goes bigger and bigger, you know, we want people to be able to add their own custom programs and allow people to be able to use them and everything. We should give them the ability to select them from a grid view instead of a carousel, because assuming, you know, users would want that. And I think it would be easier on the eyes as well. I like the carousel view. I think it's possible and everything, but I think it's easier to make it as a grid. But that's my opinion. Let's go back to ChatGPT and see what it gave us. Okay, it gave us exactly, it gave us everything we needed. Beautiful. I'm gonna go to my sign up screen, paste this bad boy into there like so. And we have a Error. What is our error? Error. JSX does not have anything like that. Well, it's because we have to import it. Expo image, yeah. There we go. Okay, now if we go to sign up, are you gonna bug out? That looks pretty good. I don't know about you, man. That looks pretty good to me so far. Do we have sign up? Let's see how it looks comparing to our. Okay, so we're missing a few things. So we have sign up, perfect. Already have an account login. Get the hell out of here! Put that there too. Oh, beautiful. Good stuff. I like it. Privacy policy. Have an account login. Oh, see, this is the section right there. You know what? I do sort of like it actually up here a little bit more. Okay, that does look good. And you know what we'll do also? At the same time. Oh wait, I got rid of that too. Let me just Control Z really quickly. I just realized something. We got rid of our validation schema and everything. We need those things. So I'm gonna copy these things. Control Shift Z, and then what we'll do is let's paste this here, and let's get rid of this, and we'll get rid of this, and then let's import Firebase. Okay, I don't think there's anything else. Navigation, that's just gonna be a prop. Alright, cool, perfect. And so now our errors are actually showing up as well. Beautiful. I'm loving the way this is looking, dog. This is looking pretty solid right now. Okay. Now what to do now? Right, we need the fit tracker logo. So let's see how we've imported that. Oh yeah, you know what? We need to actually import that. That's why. So we have it here. So let's do this. Let's do. I'm gonna just copy this asset directory, paste it there, and then we'll just give it right here, like so. Does that work? No bueno. Okay, let's wait, where are we? We're here. That's there. Okay, we need another dot slash. There we go. Did that work? Again, no bueno. Why no? Okay, so it's pointing directly to the proper thing. Cannot set prop of that. That's interesting. Let's see what our login screen example looks like. You know what? Better yet, shoot. Let's just copy it and let's just paste it here. Say about life, you know. Blur hash is something that we also need. This, you know, we'll do also make a common components variable file, so we don't have to like continuously have to like add the same code in multiple different areas. Okay. Does that look about even? Yeah, I would say so. But that blur hash, god damn, it looks ugly. Okay. Yeah, we can probably fix it up later. But that does remind me. Let's go ahead inside of our constants folder. We'll create a new file. Call it variables.tsx. Should be .ts, I think. Oh, we'll leave it like this for now. I think should be. Let's. I don't know. Let's try this out. Let's do export default constant variables is equal to this. Like, how does it work again? Let's see. Colors, export default. Oh, it's just like that. Okay. There's a way of doing it. Oh, right. Let me change this to TS. There we go. Is equal to. There we go. I cannot find const. No. If anybody knows what I'm messing up here, please let me know. Oh wait, export. Const. Export. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Goddamn. Let's do this. Save ourselves some time here. I want to create a constants variable file to hold commonly used strings and stuff throughout the app in that file. How can I do that? And make it exportable and add this as the first item in it. Okay, so let's go to variable.ts. Oh, we could actually name it something better. App constants. Okay, that's what it says here. App constants. That's a better name than variables.ts. Give me 1 second. So it gave me an example of like individually exporting everything, but I don't really like that example. I think it's nicer to do something like this. So let's do export const app. Constants is equal to this, and then let's give it blur hash like so. And now let's close that bad boy. And we'll do app constants dot blur hash like so. So now instead of having to create that whole long string in so many different files, we just use that variable once and it'll change it for everywhere. That's sort of how modularity in code is gonna work as well. So let's go ahead and import that as well. Save it, and let's go ahead and refresh this bad boy. Okay. So now, what do we need to do now? What do we gotta do? Because my goal is, at least for this live stream, let's just style up our sign up sheet and then we'll just go from there. Okay, so we can go to our sign up screen and then we see this. Now, you know what we do need to do is we need to apply Mary Poppins, sorry, not Mary Poppins, we need to apply the Poppins font on certain things. So let's see here, text input theme. Where do we have the Poppins? Okay, so we have Poppins on the login button. So let's go to our, oops, that's weird. Poppins bold. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder why. Okay, so it's that, but the title is called sign up login title, which is this right here, Poppins semi-bold. If I do Poppins bold, does that change? Okay, that does change. Yeah, because in the Figma, it actually looks a little bit different. Let me see what it is in the Figma. Semi-bold. Okay, so we are right. Okay, it just looked off. I don't know why. Oh well. Okay, cool. Let's save that up, and then that looks pretty good to me. Can I like, instead of having it white, I think we should have it to be purple. So let me get the color for that. What the hell is that color even supposed to be? Oh, okay, it's that color. Okay. I want to add a text outline focus color to my text inputs as this color, and then I'm just gonna give it code. There we go. So basically, what I was looking at on the other side was like the color here, the purple, didn't match the Figma design in the app, so I'm just asking it to do that for me. Okay. There we go. Primary. Oh, you know what? I just realized something. Because we're using this in a lot of different places throughout the app. And we're going to have changes and stuff. Let's do this here. Okay, so that color changed. I am gonna Control X that, go to my app constants, and inside of here, let's do this like so, and then do that. Control Shift P, make it look pretty, and then all we gotta do is we just do app constants dot, and then we'll just give it this, and now here, so there's only two places. Okay, so here and here we give it that. Anywhere else I'm missing? No? Okay, cool. And then this is fine, and now in our login screen we're going to do the exact same thing. So let's go ahead and get rid of this bad boy, and then let's go and take this text input, copy it, well, not copy, control command D, and now we've given global styles to the biatch. Beautiful. Good stuff, good stuff. I'm liking what this is looking. Now one thing, it's more of a pet peeve now. No, it's not a pet peeve. It's actually according to the design. You see how it's actually not like strike through like how it is on our design? Like you can see how it's like selected and strike through here. It's not here, so we gotta do that. Let's do that. Okay. On focus, I want my placeholder not to be striked through from the border. I want it to strike through. Oops, copy this, paste it there, like show, bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, so it's saying that there's no built-in prop. We can do some workarounds. Okay. You might want to dig into React paper. Using a placeholder instead of a label. Are we using a label? Let's try placeholder. Let's oh, okay, let's try placeholder. Oh, by the way, this is happening in the login screen, so we gotta go here. Oh, oopsies. I didn't even see the double quotes. So now we have that, and I click it. It's probably still gonna end up doing it. Oh no, it's not gonna do that thing. Okay. Let's go to the documentation. Let's see if we can like dig through this bad boy and see what we can get. React Native paper, text input, label, no, placeholder, no, label, yeah. Label, strike through, I guess. I highly doubt anybody really looked this up, but if they did, beautiful. Oh my god, you've gotta be, dude, that's crazy, dude. Okay. That's exactly what we want right there. Yes, it's not working. I checked the end, it's working fine. Import text info from React Native paper. Mode outline, label outline, placeholder type like this. Text input affixes. Set its style, background color transparent. Okay, let's give this a try. Manish, you're a godsend if you can help me out here, man. Okay, so it's saying that we need to give it mode of outline, which you did. And we gotta give it a label. Okay. And then we give it a placeholder. Placeholder as well? Okay, placeholder. Let's give it the same placeholder email, sure. And then we set the style, and then we give it background color to be transparent. Wait, am I even using that? Oh, I am, okay. I was just curious if I was using the text input from React Native paper. Okay, so instead of using a string, let's see here. You can pass it like that. Here, you know what? Let me just let's just pass this into ChatGPT and see what he can tell me. Hey bro, I found this article. It could be useful. Okay. Let's see if it'll give us some sort of, assistance. Okay, so given that you already text transparent, this may not solve the problem right away. Okay, well, you know what? Let's look at a different article. Some guy tried to change the label manually. No, that's not what we want. Right native icon, change color. Well, this is move label on focus. Wait a second. Hang just on a diddly second. So if I go to the components, let me just see if this is even a thing in the where was it? Text input. So we have that, and that. Oh, it is there. Dude, it is there. Okay, hang on. Let me copy this. Let's paste this here, like so. Save it. And text does not exist. Value, sure. Let's give it a value. Let's say hello, sure. On change text, that doesn't matter. So I click this. That didn't go up. That didn't freaking go up, man. Oh right. Wait. This is the outline focused. No, this is just called outlined. Okay. So then mode is equal to outlined. Sure. Get the hell out of here. So that's all. Oh, I didn't even need to do anything, dude. That's crazy. That's absolutely bonkers. Okay, placeholder, let's get rid of that, and then, oh, you know what, now that I think about it, I think I know what the problem is. I think it has something to do with, yeah, that's the thing. Let's get rid of this width. Oops. And then let's get rid of that as well. No, margin bottom, that doesn't matter. Text input, we'll take this, apply that there. Yes. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. This is what, you guys notice what just happened? Like, I got rid of this. We have the white strike through, so it's there. It's doing the thing, but it's not doing the thing that I wanted to do. Let's go to our app constants. Colors, background, transparent. Okay, let's take this. Okay, we'll paste this here. Oops, let's do theme. Okay. Apply that theme there. And now let's get rid of this. Save that. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. Let's do something like yellow. What does that give me? Okay, that's the thing. Oh, dude, I just realized something. Okay, let me try something out here. If this works, then I am literally one of the greatest developers in my room right now. It worked. That's exactly what we wanted. That strike through thingy, that's exactly what we wanted. Okay, cool, perfect, beautiful, awesome, good stuff. Let me copy this, Control Z everything, because we don't need it. We'll leave the transparent there, sure. Do we need it? Yeah, yeah, okay, we'll keep it there. And we'll go here, let's take this, convert it into that. Now if I click on this one, bada bing, bada boom, am I right, or am I right? Let me save it, okay. Bada bing, bada boom, am I right? Am I right or am I right? Are we not the greatest developers in the world? You know what I do want to do? Is the next thing, which is, so if I go to my forget password, if I click on that, oh wait, oops, go back, sign up, that's where I want to go to. We click this, bada bing, bada boom, da da da. See, that's the benefit of having a variable constant value. You change it one place, it changes everything. Look at us being coders, huh? Look at us coding. I like it. Okay. Next thing. What do we gotta do next? Let's do the design for the forget password screen. So I'm gonna go to my forget password.tsx, and I'm going to copy this. Now apply the same stuff here. I want you to convert this to look like the other screen. Use the logo, style the button, and push the push the push the bottom section and give all styles. So I'm just asking ChatGPT to give me all that information. Oh, and also convert the reset password function to async await. I could do it. But I don't wanna. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the vibes right now, dude. Okay, let's try this out. Alright, let's get that forget password screen looking consistent with your login screen and to switch it. Okay, perfect. We're gonna let that do that magic on the back end. Yeah, man, this is looking pretty good. I'm liking this, dude. I'm liking this. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. If you haven't, like and subscribe. Do all the good stuff if you want. No pressure. Excuse me. Gotta drink some water. It's good for your health. It's good for your health. Okay, so copy paste. Oh, whoops, that's the login screen. Copy paste. There we go. This is gonna be definitely the wrong. Couldn't find component. Oh. Let's not do that like that. Let's do export like so. And what is it saying? It's saying that good forget password. What is it saying? Oh. Well, I'll be damned. So let's just quickly walk through what it just did. So it imported the fit tracker icon. We converted this from what it was before, the try catch thingy. No, not the try catch. The .then to async await. It made it a lot smoother, a lot shorter. We have our image right here. We have our form for our reset password. So if I click on this, it'll be like, oh crap. We need to add formic to this. Yeah, let's add that too. Add formic and yup validation too, please. So we want to add formic and yup validation just so, you know, it's a form technically, even though it's just one thing and a button. We want to have it just so, like, you know, we're not spamming or something like that. We have consistency throughout the app. My reasonings aren't the best, but you get what I mean, right? I'm just talking to myself right now. Okay, let's see here. Okay. So I'm gonna just copy this bad boy and paste to this bad boy like this. So we have our yup validation. We have our let's go ahead and import use formic and yup. There we go. And then let's just go ahead and change up our view. So this is basically the exact same thing as our other forms. We have our formic yup validation, our schema. The schema is basically going to check that, hey, is this an email? Is it a valid email? And then depending on if it's valid or not, then it'll return, like, you know, an email has been sent. If it isn't, then it'll just return a console error. And then after that, we will do reset password. That's the text name. What is it on fit tracker figma? We have forget password question mark. Okay, let's do that. Forgot password question mark? You forgot your password there, bud? You need a new one there, bud? Recover. And then what I'll do is, where do we have that? Is it here? Yeah, it's right here. Okay. What we'll do is we will just copy this whole shebang right here. We'll just replace it with this shebang. Save it. And now we need to also create those variables and everything. So I think it goes from here all the way to here. Yes. Bottom main container. There we go. And then bottom main container privacy policy text style. There we go. Okay. Don't have a password. Sign up. Sign in. There we go. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Is this also using app constants? Get the hell out of here, dude. Get the hell out of here, dude. Okay. So let me just walk you through what I just did there. I was talking a lot, but let me just walk you through what happened. Okay, so we set up our yup validation schema, which is going to basically check if the email that we're trying to recover is valid, and then if it is, then to submit an error. To tell the user that you've been sent a reset password. Please go ahead and restart it. And then after that, excuse me. Oh man, I got really sleepy. And then after that, we just have our fit tracker logo image right up here. Then we have our formic form, which is going to be a text input, the first thing, the only thing really, with an error handle. So if I just click on the recover button, it's going to return email is required. And then after that, we have our button, contain, recover button, simple as that. And then if we click on the sign in button, it should hopefully take us to our sign up screen. It does not, because navigation does not exist. And the reason navigation doesn't exist is because we gotta pass it as a friggin' parameter. There we go. So now if I click it, navigate me away. There we go. Okay. So, I think that's a pretty good place to, wait a second. Did you notice where we just went? So we go to forget password, don't have an account, sign in. That doesn't make sense. Does that make sense? I don't think that makes sense. Don't have an account, sign up. And then sign in. Okay, sign up. Already have an account. Log in. Like it. I like it. Click on login. Return me some errors. Good stuff. And then if I type a@a.com, oh, that's a problem. We're gonna have to fix that. And then I think it was like password. No, that doesn't work. You know, that's a problem. We gotta make sure that this is working properly. So let's go into here. Text. Hashtag FFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFFF think that's right? Am I missing something? Oh, let me just refresh the app. Let's do that. I don't think I'm missing anything because we changed the text color to that. But let's try it out again. So we have here, now if I type, click it. Come on, bud. Come on there, bud. Connect for me there, bud. Come on. Please don't die on me. Please don't die on me right now. I can't afford this. I'm so close to finishing, dude. Okay, let's try refreshing it again. Man, I really want to play some 2K right now. It's almost done. We're almost done. Okay. So, I mean, that's obviously working. Why is the app not working? Oh god. Okay, let me just refresh it all. And now let's reopen it in Android. I'm gonna close my ChatGPT as well because I feel like that's taking up a lot of memory and a lot of processing power. Alright, please just work, please work. Please save me the headache. Okay. Close that, click on that, and then if I type hello, still nothing. Damn, why is that happening like that? Let's do this here. What does the Figma look like? Yeah, it should be the Figma color is this right here, primary. So let me copy this, put that there, save that. I don't think that'll work because obviously it didn't work earlier. So what I'll do is copy this. Yeah, we'll go right back in the chat. No, let's go to the documentation. Let's try that out. Okay. So we have style. Font size. Theme prop. Okay, let's see what that gives us. Icon. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Okay, let's try something. Text color. That's what we want. Where is it? Text color. Okay. Excuse me. So if I go into login screen and right here I give it a text color to be whoa, buddy, chill. Hashtag that. Ah, there we go. Okay, that works. How do we? I'm gonna try something out. Let's see if this would work. So instead of app constants, what I'll do is text color, paste that there, like this. Does that work? So if I type something here, no, that doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, the simplest solution is gonna be, we'll just take this and we'll do something like app constants dot text input theme dot colors dot text color, like this. And then we'll go into our app constants, excuse me, and then do this D0BCFF, save that, and we'll just copy this, paste it wherever there is a label input, text input. There we go. And so now what we're gonna do the same thing in here as well. So we'll do, put it there, put it there, put it there. That should be it. And then forget password as well. And we'll put this bad boy right there, like so, like so, like so, like so. Now we gotta just test it out really quickly. So forget password, and then if I type something here, perfect. Go to sign up. Let's type something here, perfect. Let's click here, good stuff. Let's click here, even better. Yeah, my computer's about to have a stroke, so I think it's probably gonna be as good as time as any to call her a day here. Yeah, this is really good. Everything is honestly like looking really well. Like compare this, let's compare our app to what we have in our Figma design. Let me make this shorter a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's our login screen right here. Oh, that's very important. We need to give it some border radius. Is that, let's see if we can, let's see if there's a radius. There we go. Outline style. Wait, do I have that? No, I do not. Let's go to my login screen, and then what we'll do, just to give it a test, you have to give it something called outline style. So outline style. So go to app constants, because it's going to be used in multiple places. We'll do text input outline style. Text input auth outline style, just in case, because I think we're going to have multiple inputs throughout the entire app, so this is good to specify from here. And then here we will just do this like so, and this is going to be a style prop. Let's see what that looks like. According to the documentation, it's going to be a style view style props. How does that look? No friggin' clue. Oh wait, oh it's that. Okay, it's like that. Okay, hang on. That's how it looks like. Okay. So what we'll do is border radius, and then we'll do like, let's say 500, just to test it out. Save this here, save that there. Let's give it a try. Perfect, it worked. Now let's see what the fit tracker Figma file looks like. So it has about a really 4 only. Okay, sure. It's not gonna be much of a difference, but yeah, that's like nothing. There's no difference. I'm just gonna do like 50. I'm gonna do like 10. I'm gonna do like 8. Yes. Can I do like border thickness? Let me see here. CSS increase border thickness. Gotta make it thick. Gotta make it juicy. Okay. Border width thin, medium, thick. Oh wait, I'm just gonna do React Native just in case. Border size, border width. Is that it? Okay, let's try that out. Native border width, like so. How to create this? Border bottom width, border end radius, border left width. There has to be one main. Oh, here it is. Border width. Border width is a number. All right, let's give that number here then. Border width. Let's give it like 500. See what that gives us. Add a comma. Wow. Let's do like 5. And let's do like 2. How thick is it? Like, would you say that these two are comparable? Like, this one is a little bit more solid, I feel like. This is a 2. Yeah, that's a 2. Let's do that. 2, 3. Oh, that's why it doesn't look as thick. It's because, like, when you select it, that's when it looks thick. Oh man, I'm a child right now, dude. I gotta get some sleep. Let's also, so now let's go ahead and apply all this to our other inputs. Copy this, paste it here, save that. Copy, paste it here, save that. Let's forget password screen. There's only one input, and then excuse me, paste, paste, paste. That should be it. So now we save it. Now we click it. Okay. There's one thing. I want to remove the focus thing before we call it a day. So let's do that. Text input. I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT and get help from there. That's gonna be the easiest way to do it. Actually, no, it's probably gonna be looking up on Google. So React Native Paper text input focused color. Theme colors primary green underline transparent. Sure, let's give that a try. Let's see what happens. So theme is this. Aren't you glad that we put everything like this? Primary green, but like, no. So we already have our primary like that. Underline color transparent. No. Unfocused. How to change label color when text input is inactive. So something like that. Okay. Let's give that a try, see what happens. No, that didn't do it. Okay, ChatGPT it is. It's like I always say goodbye to it, but it keeps pulling me back in. How do I change the color of the border in a text input in React Native Paper? I want it to be this color. So I'm just going to provide that there. And we'll do something like, let's copy this and we'll just like put that there as well. Alright. Show me some code. Show me the money. Show me the good stuff. Change the color of the text input. I didn't read a thing. On blur mode outline. What? Oh, is that? I didn't read this at all. Let me try reading this. Set the code, API. Should normally, if that's not working as expected, okay. Screw it. Let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. I should never be a engineer for NASA. I feel like I would do a lot of like, screw it, let's just give it a try. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens when we put this multi-million-dollar spaceship in the space. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I need to go to sleep, dude. Have constants. Go here. Text color. Okay, there we go. You know what? I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it at all. I don't think it matters. Does it? Does it matter? Like, it does look nice. Like, if we compare the two, yeah, it does look nice, but it's such a small detail, and I think it's cooler to, I'm just justifying me not having to do any extra code here, but it looks cooler to like see that like you've actually selected something then is focused. Yeah, I like that more. We'll just stick with that. That's a good idea. Now this is probably used in a couple of places, right? Yeah, it is. So let's do this. Let's copy this. Cut and copy. We'll do app constants dot formic error styles, and then inside of here we'll just do formic error styles, like so. Oopsie doopsies, like so. And I also want to do a margin of like, let's do like 5. 5 is more than enough. And then we just apply it all across. Let's do like 10. Wait, where is this one being applied to? This is the email one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, 10 is a bit too much. 5, let's go back to 5. Okay. So we do 5. That is okay. Margin top 5. Margin bottom 5. Yes. No, margin originally, original margin looked good. Like that. 10. Now let's do margin top 5. Oh wait, I just remembered something. Margin, you could do something like margin 5, like this, I think? No. No, that's not it either. I'm making this so complicated. Top 5. Margin bottom 10. Margin left 5. There we go. Perfect. Bob's your uncle. I don't know. Is he? I don't know. Okay, let's take this right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find all usages in the entire application with this. You've got to be kidding me. There's only one? The entire app? Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's get rid of, close that one. Wait, is it Command Shift H? There we go. Yeah, that's what we want. We're gonna replace that with this space, and then at the very end here, we'll do this space, and then replace all occurrences. Bada bing, bada off. Damn it. Let's go revert it back. Revert it back. Okay. Let's try this out again. Like this, and then now we're going to replace it with this. There we go. Does it work? I just realized something. I'm dumb. Damn it. I did it again. Oops. I did it again. Okay. We need to get rid of that, and then we need to get rid of that. And now we need to do this, like that. Now we replace it. 3rd time's a charm. Beautiful. Just like that. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go into login screen, find me a couple of these bad boys, and then do one of that. Oh wait, let me get rid of that, like so. Click on login. Perfect. All right, I'm calling it a day here. We made so much effort. We made so much progress. Completed design for auth pages. There we go. All right, perfect. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was helpful. Tomorrow, we are gonna finally go into the actual application and go into the next screen. This screen. This one right here. Cool. I hope you join me for tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this one, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.